when you realized that Olivia Culpo, Miss Universe, was one of the judges, did you feel good? I'm coming from the point that she's 5'6". At kung titingnan niyo po yung mga finalists, like the 5, the 3, you were the cutest. Okay? You were the cutest. But, you know, as an audience and as a fan, I felt good because Olivia Culpo is 5'6". And I said, she would be looking for somebody really tall. Did you have that sense?
I didn't really think about that. No, I didn't think that, oh, because she's one of the judges, then my height wouldn't be... I never thought that my height was a problem during the pageant.
I agree. I totally agree. There was a clip backstage right after the contest and after you've been told that you're the winner, etc. There was a clip that we saw on the net and you were crying and you were being surrounded by the staff of Miss Universe. What was that?
Siyempre kasi, nung nangyari sa harap ko yun, they put me backstage and then I was wearing the crown and they gave me a seat and they gave me some water just to try to calm me down. Because apparently all of the girls, upon winning, they're in a sort of a state of shock after. So normal na. But in this case, medyo mas grabe pa sa state of shock. Gulat talaga ako, lutang ako. So pagdating ko doon, I just kept asking my manager, Esther, because she was the one speaking to me. I kept asking her, are you gonna come back for the crown? Is this final? Am I really Miss Universe? Are they gonna come back to take it from me? Paulit-ulit ako sa kanya, like, are you gonna come back?
Esther was saying.
And she said, no, the crown is with you. You won, right? Like, where's the crown now? That's what she said. Pero, makulit ako, paulit-ulit ko doon. And then finally, it started to sink in. That's when I cried. And that's when I had my crowning moment backstage, I guess. But it's okay. I'll have many more moments as I go through the year.
That's the spirit. A couple of days ago, we went to Malacanang for that visit to our president. Of course, we saw what we saw. And I know personally that you are personal friends. Did that conversation get personal?
No, because my mom was sitting beside me. No, and kidding aside, no. No, because, you know, I'm very natural with him, and I just asked him what his plans were with his 50+ days remaining before he finishes his term, and then what he plans to do after, tumakapag ba siya, and then I also asked him about what he thought of my answers during the Q&A.
And he said?
He said that when you spark the comments of lefties, then you know you did something right.
This has something to do with the US basis.
That's what we talked about basically.
Oh, okay.
So,
right.
and then also sabi niya sa akin that I heard that you showed some interest in running for politics. I think you should rethink it about 5 times. Sabi niya, pag-isipan ko doon ng mga 5 beses pa.